Hello, I'm Klaus and welcome to an Mazda related video, but it's not about Mazda, it's about something else. You saw the thumbnail, so let's go straight for it. As you all are aware, this is the Topdon 800 BT, Bluetooth meaning. And I've been reached out to test out a new player. I wouldn't say a new player, but a player. Xtool. So what we are doing here is Xtool sent me an email, said I can ship you the D5S to test out. I said, alright, I can do comparison versus. So it will be Xtool versus Topdon. Now here it's already a huge disadvantage. This costs right now, as I checked on this date, and today is February 2nd, or which it is, it's the start of February. This costs with discount what it has right now 110. This costs 330. So this is not a fair comparison. This is the same as comparing a Nissan Micra to, let's say, this Mazda 6. You know that Nissan Micra does not have enough boot space, does not have this big engine. As an example, don't take it as given. So we're gonna test it out, how close this gets to this. So let's start with the BT, and we need to start the car. So there should be 3 or 2 trouble codes. So let's go simple diagnostics. So yes, we have 2 error codes. Automatic temperature control. The flaps in here are damaged. Not in the dash, but in the HVAC system, which is here. Basically, you need to take the old dash apart to get into the HVAC system, which is attached. Basically, it's at the firewall. And the rear vehicle monitoring is this light, which is for this bulb. That's all we have. You can see the rest is good. Now we have obviously more maintenance and service. You can do all of these. That's this. So this is Topdon. Let's unplug it. And now Xtool, it's your time to shine. Remember, Xtool, this what I've been sent is beginner. This is medium. This is medium. This is the beginner. Ooh, swanky. Obviously this is not Bluetooth. You have the same port connection the old monitors had in the year 2000s, and even the cable looks the same. The setup process for starting these is exactly the same. Basically, you start, you register it, and you update it. Done. That's all it needs. So let's plug this in. Okay, so it has updates like that one. Let's see special functions. So it has oil reset, throttle, battery management system, SAS, RP, ABS bleeding temperature sensor, control unit, reset ECU, EGR relearn, DPF regen, nice, DPF regeneration, nice, gearbox adaptation, 9, nice, not 9, suspension calibration, gesture coding, headlight adjustment, window installation, sunroof, crank sensor relearn, TPMS. So TPMS, if you would have a TPMS light, you would need to go here in the special functions. Let's see auto scan. Auto scan. Thank you for the beep. So this is just an overview. Remember, this costs 110 or 115. Topdon is 330. Advanced keyless entry equipped. DSC yes. Vehicle with the tire punch, yes. Let's do automatic scan. Done. This is how much a beginner's one will scan. There's OBD2 that you can read the special codes more. What's in more? Profile, report, and settings. Okay. We have updates. That's all. Topdon and Xtool. 115 right now as this date, and 330 as this date. Beginner, medium. They're the professional ones, and that changes everything. But it costs over 1,000. Over 1,000. Decide yourself. The links for both of them will be in the description down below. If you buy them, I don't care. I'm not getting anything from there. I'm here to show you the information. What you get with 115, 150, how much it was, what you get with 300. On the car I have, Mazda 6 GH. That's it. You choose which one you want. If you don't want, and you have the small dongle which does reading the codes and taking the codes off, all fine, all up to you. This is just information for you to decide yourself. Do you want to go medium, or do you want to go beginner, or you want to splash it all out for a big 1,000 one, which can do more than these two could ever do. Hopefully this was informative, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.